My name is Roy Grant. I'm from Noblesville, Indiana. I just wanted to know more about how to detail a car, truck, boat, whatever it is, and how to do it in a quicker, easier fashion. I can't even believe how much there is still to do. I thought I was kind of caught up with a website, Facebook, Instagram, but you've got LinkedIn, you've got all these different things that you can do to market and advertise, and it's just kind of blowing my mind. I learned a lot more than I thought I was going to learn. I thought it was just going to be slap this on and do that. But no, I learned an easier process, better machines to use. I mean, there was a lot of things that I learned, getting like door jambs, using the steamer, just the little crevices that I didn't know you could get.